Hi, hello. Welcome to Stay Tuned channel. Today we are going to see solutions for NCERT grade 8 supplementary reader It So Happened. Chapter 6 The Fight. Comprehension check, page number 49. First question. In what ways is the forest pool different from the one which Ranji knew in the Rajputana desert? The forest pool is so clean, cold, and inviting, whereas the one which Ranji knew in the Rajputana desert was sticky, muddy pools where buffaloes wallowed and women washed cloths. Question number 2. The other boy asked Ranji to explain himself. What did he expect Ranji to say? He expected Ranji to say sorry. Was he, in your opinion, right or wrong to ask this question? Suraj was a bully. He was wrong to prevent Ranji from using the pool. The pool was common property. Question number 3. Between Ranji and the other boy, who is trying to start a quarrel? Give a reason for your answer. It was Suraj who starts the quarrel. He asked Ranji to run away from the pool. He even threatens to beat him up. Question number 4. Then we will have to continue the fight, said the other. What made him say that? He said that because he was tired but did not want to spare Ranji, who refused to accept defeat. Did the fight continue? If not, why not? No, the fight did not continue the next day. Both Suraj and Ranji needed each other's help, so they became friends. Suraj asked Ranji to teach him to dive and swim underwater, while Ranji agreed to become a wrestler with the help of Suraj. Now, another comprehension check in page number 53 and 54. First question. What is it that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home? Ranji had several cuts and bruises on his face and arms. He finds it difficult to explain the injuries at home. Question number 2. Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. What does he wish to do? He wished to hit his enemy with the lemonade bottle. What does he actually do and why? He actually stood his ground and scowled at his enemy. Question number 3. Ranji is not at all eager for a second fight. Why does he go back to the pool then? Ranji goes back to the pool to gain self-respect. If he surrenders now, he will be beaten forever. Question number 4. Who was the better swimmer? How do you know? Ranji was the better swimmer because he could dive and swim under the water, whereas Suraj could not. Question number 5. What surprises the warrior? Ranji could dive perfectly and swim underwater, circled around Suraj and came upon him from behind. Suraj the warrior was surprised by this act of Ranji. Question number 6. Now that they are at the pool, why don't they continue the fight? At the pool, the two contestants forgot to continue the fight. Their interest shifts to swimming and diving. Question number 7. Ranji's superior over the other boy is obvious in the following. So there are some characteristics you have to sort out and write that which characteristic is apt for which boy. Physical strength, good diving, his being a fighter, sense of humor, swimming underwater, making a good point, willingness to help. So, Suraj, you have only two qualities, physical strength and his being a fighter. Whereas Ranji has five qualities, that is good diving, sense of humor, swimming underwater, making a good point, willingness to help. So, in this way, Ranji is much more superior than the other boy, that is Suraj. Question number 8. What, according to you, makes the two adversaries turn into good friends in a matter of minutes? Explain it as you have understood. Ranji and Suraj, the two adversaries, turn into good friends in a matter of minutes. Both were tired of fighting. Both needed each other's help, guidance, and support. Suraj wanted to learn diving from Ranji, while Ranji liked the idea of becoming a strong wrestler with the help of Suraj. Thank you, children. Keep watching my channel, stay tuned and subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, so knowledge increases only when you are sharing with others, right? So I am doing it, you also share among your friends and keep watching the channel. There's lot to come. Bye, take care.